are some famous people that everyone's heard of that does this?
Besides me and Chris Noggle, because we're awesome. Like, I mean, we're pretty amazing. But like famous people would be like Walt Disney.
Right.
Like everybody, that's heard. Well, maybe not everybody's heard the story of Disney World, right? He built Disneyland first, and that was like his kind of launch. And then he was secretly trying to buy land in Orlando, right? And it's just all swamp back then. Well, he wanted to get bank money, but the banks were like, no, come on. I know you're a big visionary, but this is a little bit too big for us.
Stop dreaming.
Yeah, stop dreaming. And so eventually they put the terms on and said, listen, if you come up with your own cash, okay, maybe we'll lend you the rest, right? You got to put some skin in the game. So where did he get it? He borrowed it from his life insurance. He went to his life insurance company, borrowed that money, used that as the collateral, and then the bank said, great, we'll give you the rest. Yeah. Right? So another example there, Pampered Chef was actually started using life insurance. They borrowed the money from their life insurance policy. They create Pampered Chef. Also JCPenney during the last, during the Great Depression, right? JCPenney actually paid their payroll using life insurance policies. Walmart actually bought policies on their employees. Same thing like GE did. Like a lot of pensions were paid because they buy policies, and then the way they would replenish the pension is they would, once the person died, that death benefit would pay back the pension fund, and they could keep paying pensions. Oh, Walmart just did it to bank on it. They're like, hey, even if this person's like an hourly employee, I'm going to get a little policy on them. But family members, when they found out, said, wait a minute, we didn't have insurance on our family member, but you did. And they didn't even work for you at the time they died. Right. But you just banked on their death. That's not fair. So then Walmart had to deal with PR issues. Yeah. So, yeah, all kinds of people. Even banks. Even during the last recession, I remember Wells Fargo had 22% of their money tied up in cash value life insurance that they were storing there. Really? Yeah.
And I'm trying to remember, I think it's Hershey's also. I think Hershey's has that as well. Yeah. And there's a brand name, right? Everyone knows about them.